So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to solve VirtualBox kernel driver issue. See, here I am running one OS here, it is Parrot. Then I just now click it to start, and then here is showing kernel driver not installed. Okay, as RC equal to 9, my negative 1908, and it's like the issue in drivers. Okay, so how you can fix it in Kali, as if you are using VirtualBox in any Debian based distro like Ubuntu, Kali Linux or Debian or Mint, then how you can solve it. The first command we will use it which to solve this particular issue is sudo apt install build essential. So build essential is basically used to install GCC, G++, compiler packages and all. Okay, make. Okay, and DKMS is dynamic kernel module support. Okay, it will run the modules, okay, again and again if the VirtualBox is updated. And Linux headers for this particular kernel version, so we have used uname here. Okay, so accordingly this is downloaded. You need to perform the first command which I have shown. Then secondly, you need to give this command. It is also a very important command to check if these things are reinstalled, then only it can work very well. Okay, so you need to reinstall VirtualBox, and you need to reinstall the DKMS. Okay, VirtualBox and VirtualBox, that DKMS. Okay, dynamic kernel module support. So if you will reinstall this, then it will fix overall the GUI and all will be fixed by VirtualBox, and the drivers will be fixed by this particular DKMS if there is some kind of problem with this driver in this DKMS. Okay, and now we will install some more things accordingly after this get installed. See, it was not installed, so it is getting installed here. Okay, it might be this can be the problem, the main problem. Okay, so accordingly you can fix it by one first step only if the second step is already done, or if the first step is done and if it is solved by second step, then also good. But if it is still now not solved, then you need to give a third command, sudo modprobe vivox drb. Okay, these are some of the drivers. Okay, module driver, kernel drivers for network adapters, and then bridge network adapter which you use in your VirtualBox. Okay, so now after installing these module kernel drivers, you will grep them, and you can see that if I will grep Vvox, then you can see these are installed. Now I can run VirtualBox accordingly. If I run here by from the terminal only, I am running VirtualBox, so it is opened. Now if I start that particular OS again, okay, see, if I click in start, and then I can see the problem is no more there and it is solved. Okay, so here you can see that powering VM up, and it is getting powered, and all the VirtualBox is getting opened. So that's all for this video. So hopefully you get the problem is solved here. Okay, so bye.